Hello everybody, I'm Jane and as you know I love crochet. I'm going to show you today the stitch with this blanket that I've made. The blanket's called the Sugar Plum Blanket. It's made from King Cole Twirly Tweed Chunky, and I've got a ball here to show you how it comes. It comes beautifully with the different colours. There you go. That's the 4-row pattern. That's the crisscross treble, which is just those stitches and none of this other pattern that I've incorporated them in, one after the other, row after row, and that gives a really nice pattern. And that's one of the patterns in my stitch sampler booklet, which is, I believe it is in the shop of Just Hands.